Welcome friends. Today I'm going to discuss about the Stream API feature of Java 8. So what is Stream API feature? We have already used some Stream API feature for the Java 8, right? Like filter, map, and finally we are using we have explored the list, right? List.stream. Then it can be stream, can be parallel stream, you can use map, you can use filter, and finally using collect to get the list or the for each, right? So it's the terminal operation. Now let me going into the details of the stream. For the stream source, like you can, we have used mostly for the list, right? List or set, right? List, add a list. I can use array, right? So I can use directly the int stream dot off, int stream dot range closed, int stream dot range, right? So we can use the array and we can play with the number, like, so for example, like mathematical formula, summation from 1 to 100, right? So to make that summation for 1 to 100, you have to make like, you can use without Java it also, but it will be very promptly. If you have 1 lakh, like 1 to 1 lakh, right? Then if you are not using Java it, then you are not able to use the core, right? Of the features, right? If you are using for loop, it will take huge time, so it will reduce the time and improve the performance. And this is the stream, right? So stream creation, and then the intermediate operation. So there is a series of operation. You can make it sort, then you can filter, you can limit it, okay? So map it and the sorting it, filter. So this is the intermediate operation. And the terminal operation, this is the aggregate result, right? You can count, you can get the sum of the collections, okay? This is the operation results you are finally get it. Now let me give the one example, right? To get the minimum value from the array, say array, this is the array 10 3 45 321, and you want to get the minimum, right? To get the minimum, what you are going to do in the old way. So if you have the array, you just minimum, and you have to write this logic, right? It's you can big logic for sorting, minimum, big logic, right? But using Java Stream API, what you have to do in stream.off and give that numbers what I have passed, and then mean and get as int. This is just a one line program, right? It will reduce the effort, as well as it's a more elegant way we can do that, right? And also other way, right? uh, it can be minimum, maximum, summation. What you can do, you can get the summary statistics, you will get the int summary statistics, and from there you can get the minimum, maximum, sum, and the average and the count. So there is a 5 features of integer you will get all at once, right? You don't have to write so many of code, right? Maximum, you do have to separate logic. So the code, the line of code has been reduced drastically using mean functions or the summary statistics get mean, right? That is the part of the int summary statistics. Now the next feature is the, say, if I have the multiple intermediate operation, right? So get the three distinct smallest number, okay? So here's the number. It's a big number. I mean array of number. You can have the like duplicate number, right? You don't want duplicate. To the old way, to get the first three number, first you have to make it sorted, right? Ascending order way, and then distinct way, and the first three, right? First three is the 0 to 3, right? So first three you can pick it up. First you need to make it a short, right? So arrays dot short you can get one way, right? But the catch is that if you are making arrays dot short, you will mutating the array, right? To avoid the mutating, you have to make the arrays dot copy of. So you have a huge line of code, right? For simple thing, what you are going to do, you have to short and get the first three number, right? So instead of that old way, what you can do? just get the off with the array distinct shorted limit with the size. You can make 3, you can 4, 5, whatever. So today you have written that I mean 0 to 3, right? Tomorrow you can make fast 30, so you elegant way you can make it. So I have created reusable functions. That's a pipeline algorithm with a max size. You can get it, right? And details mechanisms of the stream. Okay, so in stream dot off, so and in stream dot range closed. Okay, and the for each you can suppose for the executor service, so you want to execute with the one thread, right? One executor thread pool with the thousands of tasks you want to execute, right? So instead of using for loop, you can write in stream dot off 0 to thousands and dot for each. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, and process is the more about the filtering, is the distinct sorted limit skip filtering map and the consumes. Okay, and here's the example like how it's working. So first series of value, it's a pipeline algorithm. So first you are getting that 140113. What you are going to do is a stream and then distinct. So I want I'm going to reduce the duplicate, so 14013, uh so 40130, whatever. So last one I want to take. Okay, and then short by ascending way 0 1 4 13. Now limit, I want first 3, so 0 1 4, and now I want to get the summation of it, so I can get the sum. So it's a very simple, just a limit and then finally under this terminal operation sum. Okay, and creation of stream, you can use range, you can use from range, you can use range closed off with array. Okay, and instead of for each, you can use collect to collector dot to list. You can get the list, and the to array you will get array, and the box is the wrapper to integer. I mean primitive to wrapper, wrapper to primitive, collections into list, collect into list, and summation of natural number. So thousands of natural number. So what's the formula? So n into n plus 1 by 2, right? So what you are going to do, get sum of number. So you can get the sum in stream dot off range closed in stream dot off, and then sum, you will get it, right? Get as int, or you can use the summary statistics, then get summary statistics in stream statistics, and then get sum, right? So this way you can do that. Okay, and for the practical example. Okay, so practical example, get the 3 highest paid salary of the employee. Okay, so first 3 highest paid, so first you have to make short in the reverse way, right? Who is the highest? So shorted by salary and then limit. So old way, what how we can do that? So first I have added multiple thing, right? Multiple with the salary. Okay, and here you see that list of records, and then after short it, so how we can short it? I can short it just e2 dot salary get salary minus e1. So this is the descending way. So if it's ascending, e1 dot get salary minus e2 dot. So array I have short. So to prevent the array of mutating, I have to create copy of array list, right? And then creating the list and added that object. Okay, get that list, and you can print it. Okay, or you can directly loop it and print it. Okay, and for Java 8 way, how we can do that? It's a very simple stream sorted. How we can do that? Comparator dot comparing int new employee dot gets I mean method reference get salary dot reverse and the limit the collect. Okay, so this way you can do that. And Other practical example, get the light blue circle from the array of different shape. Okay, so here is the stream. So it's the circle, square, so different color. First, I am going to check that is circle. So functions I'm going to check. Okay, you can use the using method reference with the class double colon uh, with the function is circle. So it will give the boolean. So in the filter, you can make that filter. Okay, within that filter, you can write is circle a double colon is circle. So it will get whether it is true or false. So first I get the all the circle, then I am choosing only the blue is blue. Okay, so same way is the filter. So it's a series of filter, and so is the filter function. Now it's the sorted by ascending order. So if I just write it sorted, it's done. And wait, I have done is that collecting the collections from the circle. I am fetching the weight 378, so I'm getting that way. So this is the very simple and elegant way. Otherwise, in the old way, you have to write a lot of code. Okay. Now, with that example, let me show the same thing from the code itself. Okay. So first with the stream with the array. Okay. So here is the number, first populate integer. Okay. So 10 3 number, and then what I'm going to do, I am going to print array. So how we can print array? So to print array, arrays.stream.forEach. Okay, it's a very simple. And what I have mentioned, so system out.println e plus comma. Everyone is a comma separated. Okay, and the get the minimum value, how just passing the array in stream.of numbers dot mean get as int. And the other elegant way we can do that, uh, this the minimum number is without Java 8 Stream API. Java 8 is the simple. So this old approach. I'm not going to details about the old approach. And the modern approach, we already get uh, that Stream API. We already get other approach, that statistics in statistics. So how we can get that in stream summary statistics, and we are getting that get mean, get max, get sum, we get it. Okay, so let me execute it. So first what we are getting here that old array 10 3 5, and the without statistics, so we get minimum number, maximum number, and with statistics also same thing, statistics minimum number. So it's a more elegant way for the M2. And the new distinct array. So what is new distinct array? How we can get it? So distinct array. So we are using the function distinct. Okay, instream.of distinct and dot to array. So this way we can make it a distinct. Okay, and sorted number, get sorted way. We can do that, right? So it's a just use the sorted, get sorted, we can get it, right? So it's a just a sorted dot to array. So if I want distinct as well as sorted, what we are going to do, mm, so of limit for each, so we can get that. And distinct sorted limited number, we can get that of distinct sorted, and limit that size and the for each, we can get it. Okay, and without Java, it's a very it becoming complicated, right? First you have to create the copy of the to avoid mutating, and then sorting, and then printing that one. Okay, so this is the way for stream with array. Okay. what I have shown example. Let me show for stream with range. Okay, so start with 1 to I can make it 100 also. Here I have shown 10. So here first printing the array and then summation. So it's a numbers dot sum, just that's it. Okay, and other way, that get summation, summary statistics, int summary statistics, and the get sum. Okay, and so we are getting that for 10 is a 55 and 100 will be more, right? So 50-50. If you want like 5, right? 1 2 3 4 5 or 3, right? So what would be the value? That we call 2 3 5 6. It should be 6. So let me 6. Yes, it is 6. So if I make it 4, 1 to 4, it will be 10, right? So it's a 10, as I have mentioned. That is the formula. Now stream with employee object. What employee object is going to do? Uh, I have shown here that first print the employee shorted employee first, 3 highest paid salary. Okay, so without Java 8 I can do, I create that like a duplicate, not duplicate, is a clone copy of array, and then on that duplicate array I'm going to short it. Okay, in the descending order, e2 dot get salary minus c1 dot get salary, and then loop that up to 3 or 4 or 5, whatever you mention. So you can do that, and after iterating you will get the data. And same thing with the Java 8 stream shorted, and this is a reverse way, comparator dot comparing int. Okay, since it's the integer, new employee, method reference get salary, and then limit and collect, collectors dot to collect that to list. So and print new array for the list. So list dot for each name, id, and the salary. Okay, so uh, without Java stream I'm getting all that. I like 5, right? Here I have chosen 5. So first 66,000, 34,000, and 34,001, 34,000, 24,000. So same thing we can do that uh, in the database itself, but it's very fast if we do that same thing in the collections, right? Or that's business logic. Since we have, instead of the IO operation, right, hitting database, if we are using that computing features from the CPU, say n core CPU, so we have that 8 core CPU, so 8 places we can, since we are using stream, 8 places we can execute it and we get it faster. Okay, so this is the important feature in the stream API. Okay, hope you have enjoyed. I will uh, show and discuss more about the stream in next session. Thank you very much.